Yellow Jacket Garage in East Texas. The host is Bryan. It is a nice YouTube channel currently featuring a 62 Corvette, but he has also done videos on Mercedes and American-made cars. So it's a nice little garage. I would like to encourage you to check out his YouTube channel. That's Yellow Jacket Garage. The host is Bryan. And let's take a quick look to see what he has to say about, well, some of the videos that will be coming up in the near future. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey, and if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe, and if you're on Rumble, please follow.
Hey everyone, welcome to Road Odyssey. Hey, Bert came down to visit, and I just want to talk to you all a little bit about the project that I'm working on right now, and this is on the 1962 Corvette. I know you've seen some of the stuff about this car, but Bert wanted to talk about some of the updates that I'm doing on it, and one of the things you can see, I mean, there's a lot of chrome and doodads that we've added to this engine, but what our current project is the power steering unit, and this car came from the factory with the Armstrong steering, which is, you know, your two arms and a big steering wheel, and you jerk it around as much as you can. But we're upgrading it to a power steering unit, and this unit is my mind's drawing a blank, but anyway, it's a full power steering, full rack, the whole 9 yards. It comes in there, replaces all the old components that are in there, and the next step for it is we got to do the plumbing, and then we got to do the steering column and whatnot, actually put it in, because it's all bare, and took all that stuff out of there. But anyway, if you're interested in what I'm doing on this car, jump over onto my channel and give me a subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I want to thank Bert for coming down here and doing this for me too. I appreciate it. So it's nice to have good friends like that. But y'all take care, y'all be safe, and I'll give you my tagline, which is we'll see you on down the road. Hope you come over and join my channel.
Yep, this 62 Corvette has been in the garage a while, so go back to Bryan's older videos, just hop on his channel and take a good look-see, and you'll find all kinds of 62 Corvette stuff on there, as well as, like I said in the intro, plenty of other cars, some of my cars, the Jaguar, my Corvettes, all kinds of things that are on his YouTube channel. So I would really like to encourage you to check it out, take your time, and just kick back and see what he's got for you. He does also have some tricks and tips from time to time, so I think you'd enjoy it. So with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Please like and subscribe or follow. Bye.